Mix 1 cup of sugar with 2 eggs and liquid vanilla flavor for 2 minutes. Add 1 cup of milk, followed by 3/4 of a cup of oil. Add 2 cups of flour and 8 grams of baking powder. Mix until combined. Pour the mixture into a baking pan. Bake at 180 degrees Celsius 350 degrees Fahrenheit for 12 to 15 minutes. Once cooled, cut the cake base into small pieces. Sandwich every 2 pieces together with chocolate spread. Coat the sandwiched cakes in melted chocolate. Decorate with drizzled white chocolate or milk chocolate.